Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix a Windows Defender a scan folder not opening or access denied message you will receive. Then here are the fixes. What happens? First we will see open File Explorer. Here go to C drive. Here go to Program Data. Here open Microsoft. Here look for Windows Defender. Apply a double click on it. Here scroll down and you will find the folder's name a scan folder. Open it. A message pop-up window will appear. You don't currently have permission to access this folder. Click continue to permanently get access to the folder. Choose continue. But you receive a message you have been denied permission to access this folder. If you are also receiving such type of message and don't able to open a scan folder of Windows Defender, then here are the fixes. Right click on the start button and choose run. Here in run command box you may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run dialog box, and here type msconfig to open system configuration windows. System configuration window will now open. Here from the top menu bar go to boot, and under boot options make the check against option safe boot and choose apply and OK to save the changes. You will be asked to restart your system. You may need to restart your computer to apply these changes, so choose restart. Now after restarting your system you will be in safe mode, and now in safe mode try to open Windows Defender scan folder. Same process, open File Explorer in safe mode. Here go to C drive. C drive, go to Program Data. Go to Microsoft. Go to Windows Defender. And here look for a scan folder. Open a scan folder. Apply a double click on it and you can see in safe mode a scan folder is now opened. Here go to history or results, and if you want to delete any result or history, simply select it and choose delete. So you can easily take action in your Windows Defender scan folder as well, and Windows Defender scan folder only opened in safe mode. So again go to msconfig in run command box and disable safe mode. Okay, system configuration window will now open. Here go to boot from the top menu bar and uncheck the option safe boot. Apply and OK to save the changes. Again restart your system. That's all.